Here's a really cool feature known as double pinch found on your Watch 6 or your Watch 7. And basically you can do this to answer incoming calls or dismiss alerts. And I'll show you where to go to find it. While viewing the clock face like this here, simply swipe down from the top edge here and you'll get access to these icons. Tap on the settings here as the fastest way to the main settings of your Watch 6 or Watch 7. Then go ahead and scroll down until you see the gestures section right there, the one that says buttons and gestures. So tap on it once, and from here you'll go down until you see the gestures section. And it should be the very first one depending on your update. So go to double pinch, and now that you're here, go ahead and turn it on. And you can go ahead and read what it says, what it does, what it's capable of doing. So pinch twice to answer calls, dismiss alerts, scroll through notifications, play or pause music. So if you got a song playing on your watch, you can double pinch and it'll play it and pause it and even take pictures. That is so awesome. Now to actually try it out to see how it works, you can select the Try It Now feature here. And it's going to tell you this here. And then once you do it like this, 1, 2, and you do it correctly, it'll tell you you got it. And trust me, this one does work. Okay, it's pretty awesome. Like and sub.